Dear Mackie, I love your product. I love the big knob. I have 2 sections of speakers in my space. One is on my desktop, where I listen to sound from my television, from my computer, from my software programs, my DAW in my computer, from my gadgets. Sorry, my desk is a mess. Then I have other speakers. You have to excuse me because I am a content creator and DJ and producer running over there. What is going on? This is the second unit I've had. It's been a little over. When did I communicate with you guys? April 18th. So it's been almost 2 months, not quite 2 months, that I've had this unit, because it did not come on the 18th. I communicated with you on the 18th. And once again, I hear a pop this morning and I can't get any sound out. That's it being off. That is the pop that I heard when it died. Can somebody explain to me what's going on with Mackie? Because it's not directly in the wall. It is in a power strip to protect it. Nothing else has had any issues. This is the second unit. This is the second unit. Now, defective unit, one defective unit is one thing. This is the second one. I love this girl. I love her. What is the issue?